Here we discuss about meaning, definition and role of financial market. A financial market is an institution that facilitates exchange of financial instruments, including deposits, loans, corporate stocks, government bonds, etc. According to Brigham Eugene, the place where people and organizations wanting to borrow money are brought together with those having surplus fund is called a financial market. Role of financial market. It helps to mobilize saving. It helps to mobilize investment. It promotes national growth. It promotes entrepreneurship growth. It supports industrial development. Then types of financial market. Financial markets classified into three: capital market, money market and commodity market. Here we discuss detail in capital market and money market. Meaning and definition of money market. A market where short-term funds are borrowed and lent is called money market. A market where short-term funds are borrowed and lent is called a money market. According to Reserve Bank of India, a money market is the center for dealings mainly of short-term characters in money assets. It needs the short-term requirement of borrowers and provide liquidity or cash to the lenders. It is a place where short-term surplus investable funds at the disposal of financial institutions or individuals are bid by borrowers' agents comprising institutions and individuals and also the government itself. Then money market is classified into two: organized and unorganized. Organized money market include Reserve Bank of India, scheduled commercial banks, discount and finance house of India, mutual funds, non-banking finance companies and primary dealers. Unorganized money market include indigenous bankers, money lenders, non-banking financial companies, that is chit funds, nithis and finance brokers are included in unorganized money market. What are the characteristics of money market? Short-term funds are borrowed and lent in a money market. There is no fixed place for carrying out operations. In a money market, dealings may be conducted with or without brokers. The financial assets that are dealt in the money market are close substitutes of money. It is not a single market, but a collection of markets for different instruments. The main organizations in the market are Reserve Bank of India, state government, banks, corporate investors, etc. What are the major money market instruments in India? Commercial paper, commercial bill, certificate of deposits, treasury bills, government securities, money market mutual funds, repo rate. What is commercial paper? These are debt instruments which are issued by corporate houses for raising short-term financial resources. Second, commercial bill. Bill of exchange or commercial bill are commonly used in the money market to meet the short-term credit needs for trade and industry. Third one, certificate of deposits. These are short-term negotiable deposit certificate issued by commercial bank or financial institutions at a discount or par rate. Fourth one, treasury bills. These bills are in the form of promissory notes. They are issued by the government. Fifth one, government securities. The marketable debts issued by the government or by semi-government bodies which represent claims on the government is known as government securities. Next one, money market mutual funds. These are mutual funds that invest solely in money market instruments. Last one, repo rate. It is the repurchase rate which is also known as official bank rate. Then capital market in India. The major division of capital market, government securities, it is also known as gilt-edged market, industrial securities market, development financial institutions, financial intermediaries. Industrial securities market can be classified into primary market and secondary market. Primary market is also known as new issue market. Secondary market is also known as old issue market. Then development financial institutions include IFCI, ICICI, SFCs, IDBI, IIBI, UTI. Financial intermediaries include merchant banks, mutual funds, leasing companies, venture capital companies, and other financial organizations. Then meaning and definition of capital market. The financial assets deal with the capital market have long or indefinite maturity period. The capital market forms an important core of a country's financial system. According to G.H. Peters, capital market as being the market or collection of interrelated markets in which potential borrowers are brought into contact with potential lenders. It is a market for long-term funds. Its maturity period is long or indefinite. That is the important thing in capital market. The capital market plays an important role in the financial system. First one, capital formation. Second, an intermediary between savers and investors. It helps to mobilize capital. It promotes economic development. Then what are the basic instruments? What are the basic capital market instruments? It can also be classified into two: equity securities, debt securities. Equity securities classified again into two: equity shares and preference shares. Debt securities classified into debentures and bonds. Then what is the difference between equity security and debt security? Equity security, owner of the company. Debt security, creditor of the company. Get dividend only when company earns sufficient profits. It provides steady income to the investors. Equity security have voting rights. Debt security have no voting rights. It not secured. Equity security is not secured. Debt security is secured in nature. It provides steady income to the investor because it's secured in nature. Equity security is the share capital of the company. They are the owners of the company. Debt security are borrowed capital of the company. They are the creditors of the company. What are the constituents of Indian capital market? The major constituents are the gilt-edged market and industrial securities market. The gilt-edged market is also known as the government securities market, which is a market for government and semi-government securities. The major features of the government security market or gilt-edged market are as follows. It guaranteed return on investment. There is no speculation on securities. The major institutions involved in the gilt-edged markets are LIC, PF, and commercial banks. Heavy volume of transactions are done in gilt-edged market. Institutional based investors are involved in the gilt-edged market. Then industrial securities market. It is the market for industrial securities such as bonds, equities, etc. It compares of two segments: primary market, secondary market. Primary market. It is the market in which shares, debentures and other securities are sold for the first time for collecting long-term capital. This market is concerned with new issues. Then the primary market is also called as new issue market. The money collected from this market is generally used by the company to modernize the plant, to modernize the machineries and buildings, for extending business and for setting up new business units. Then secondary market. The secondary market is that market in which the buying and selling of the previously issued securities is done. The transactions of the secondary market are generally done through the medium of stock exchange. The chief purpose of the secondary market is to create liquidity in securities. Then secondary market in detail. The secondary market consists of recognized stock exchanges operating under rules, bylaws and regulations duly approved by the government. It is also known as stock market. A stock exchange is the Securities Contracts Act in 1956 as an association, organization or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating or controlling of business in buying, selling or dealing in securities. That is the definition, the proper definition of stock exchange. Then the functions of secondary market. To facilitate liquidity and marketability of securities, to contribute economic growth through mobilization of funds to the most efficient channels, to provide instant valuation of security dealt in on stock exchange, to ensure a measure of safety and fair dealing to protect investors' interest. Thank you.